Alright, several weeks into the COVID-19 shelter in place, here in California the SVRA trails are still closed. I'm working from home, bored as hell. I figured I'd take my enduro WR250R out on the highway to test its manners out.
WR250R on the highway. I'm on Cycle Cruiser's WR250R. Speedometer says I'm going 64. Keeping up with traffic, but no way in hell I am going uphill. There is a wind. Cruising at around 68, 69. 13.2 sprocket in the front, 47 in the back. And it's marginally better than my supermoto that I was testing on that street over there with the Athena big bore kit.
From a previous video, I took my WR250R Supermoto, which has 17-inch Warp 9 rims and a 1349 tooth sprocket combination. Here I'm struggling to pass a truck on the highway, but this cruiser apparently has no problem with that task.
WR250R is a highway bike? I don't know about that.
After all, the WR250R is a dual sport. It does a lot of things, but it doesn't do any one thing remarkably well.
He's already wrapping it out. I mean, I think I'm doing okay on the highway here, but on an extended trip, no way.
There are definitely better bikes for the highway, but given my current riding style for now, for an extended trip, I'd probably truck my bike in and then hit the trails from there.
Honestly, if I was doing a lot more highway riding, my WR250R, not a good choice. I don't know what bike that was, but a tourer like that, maybe, would be better equipped. Or even an adventure bike like man, those KTM 790s, or even the Yamaha Tenere that's coming out. Dude, that's a sharp looking machine. And maybe a migration path from a WR250R owner coming off kind of light enduro duty and wanting to get more adventure. Kind of the next step. Who knows? Anyways, I gotta be honest, in enduro trim, this WR250R on the highway, I mean, it does okay. I'm not gonna be weaving in and out of traffic, but I didn't buy it for the highway. I bought it for cross-purposing road and trail and sometimes highway. So, buy the WR250R for what it's worth. It's not a highway bike. It is a good all-purpose bike. And like what they use in the service, right? They have a sidearm and your main weapon. Well, if anything, the WR250R is a great sidearm. You know, if all else fails, she'll do the job.